Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a custom photo wall calendar in Affinity using the data merge tool. For that you just want to go on File and create a new file. You can choose whatever size you want. I'm going to choose an A4 size and then just hit on create document, and then you want to design the calendar. I'm going to put a picture on top, so just use the rectangle tool and I'm going to put it in the upper half, align it to be centered horizontally, and then you want to right click on it and convert it to a picture frame. So that's the first step. Then I'm going to add a table for the monthly data, so just using the table tool, and I want to have 7 columns for Monday to Sunday and then 7 rows, and I'm going to change the size of that a bit from the location, and then you can just input Monday till Sunday. For the dates, I'm just gonna put in hashtags as a placeholder, as the data will get imported from the Excel file that we use, just like that. And then you can work on the design a bit. I think I'm just going to use another font. I like that one, and also change the size of the font a bit and center it on the cell. And I'm going to change the style a bit here as well, so make it a bit larger and align it to the right side of the table. And I'm also going to delete the stroke. So just select all of them and put it to transparent. Then you have a table for all the weekdays. I skipped these last days as there's no month in the year of 2026 where the days go beyond Tuesday in the 6th week of the month, so just leaving those empty. In addition to that, I want to have some text for the month name, so just put it like that and put in month as a placeholder, and again change the font to something that you like, move it a bit. I think that looks quite good. So now we basically have the design that we want for our calendar spread. We have a placeholder for the picture, we have the month name, we have Monday till Sunday, the weekdays, and then we have some spaces for the dates. We can also make Sunday and Saturday in bold, so that there's a bit of difference to the weekdays. And now you want to use the data merge tool. For me, it's already here in the panels. If it is not in your case, you can just click on Window and go to Layout, and here you have the option to select the data merge. So once you are there, you want to import the data file that you have. I already created one. I can also upload this file so that you can download it and don't have to do it yourself. In this file, I have a column for each month, and then I have the first week with all the corresponding dates for the month, 2nd week, 3rd week, 4th week, 5th week, and 6th week, as I already told you. And here you can see that it's just Monday and Tuesday in the 6th week that I used in this year. And then I also have a column for the picture that I'm going to use in each corresponding month. Here you want to add in the link to the picture that you're using. So if you have your pictures, you can just right click on the pictures, and then you have to click on option so that this menu changes, and then you don't have, sorry for it being in German, you don't have copy here. When you click on option, you can copy the path of the picture. So you just click on that and then add in that here, and do that for the other pictures as well. So just select the picture that you want, right click on it, click on option, and copy the path file. So I'm just going to do that for all 12 pictures I'm going to use. Once you created your data file, you can just click on add data file here and then browse for it and select the one that you just created. And then you want to link these fields that you created to these fields here. So for example, just click on month and then select all this text, click on insert field, and then you want to select the month field. The same for here, you want to select the hashtag that you created for the number of the date and connect to the first Monday. Same here, first Tuesday, first Wednesday. And that's a bit of a tidy process, but it's still a way faster method than creating 12 planner sheets by hand. So once you linked all of those, you're nearly done. You just want to link the picture as well. So for that, just select the picture frame, and then you can see that the option where it said before insert field, will change to bind field. So you can just click on that, select the field of the picture, and then this symbol appears. So now you linked everything. You linked the month, you linked all the dates of the calendar, and then you linked the picture frame. So now you can click on generate. Now you can see that a new file appeared where it jumps right to the December page, which is the last page. If you go on pages here, you can see that all the pages got created, and you can just scroll through there and see that you have month name correctly, then you have a picture, and you have all the dates of the month. Same for February, March, April. If you want to change the picture, you can change it as with any other picture frame, just enlarge it or decrease the size and position it differently using the symbol here, and also you could rotate it as well. So once it is done, you can work on every page just as a normal page. It is not linked anymore. So that's the file right here with all the different pages. And if you notice that you have a mistake or something, you can just close this file, go back to this design file that you created and fix the mistake. Or you could also change the layout by going to another font. For example, if you think that font looks better anyways, you can just create it again, and just in seconds you will have another file with all the calendar sheets with the updated style. So that's really easy to make a bunch of different calendars with different styles, because you just have to change this one page here and all the data is connected already. I will upload this finished photo calendar so that you can change it and just put in your pictures. I will also upload this starting file here as well, so that you can add the design and add the fonts that you like. And I'm also going to upload the Excel file so that you all have the data that is linked to that. I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions regarding this process, just put them down in the comments below.